very good morning to all of you. In this class, we will not discuss anything because I have taught one poem, one prose, and Act 2, Scene 1 already. So, we have read The Cold Within, we have also read Hearts and Hands. I have discussed in detail and I did not get any email, so I can tell you or I can be assured that you did not face any difficulty. So in this class we will just going to have a revision test. Actually not one, I have designed two for you, one from prose and one from poetry. Try to answer this. First of all, what your task will be, you will try yourself to answer, and you will not take any help from any book or not from any elders. Okay, after answering all the questions, you will find the answer key is already given to you. You will be checking. Okay, it is not like that that your answer will be exactly the same as I have provided to you. It's not like that. It's not mandatory, but just try to grab the summary. Okay, whatever the questions are asked to you, try to be to the point, because we will be looking for the keywords or key sentences. So do not write exaggerated speech much. So you may be thinking we know the summary and for every question we will be writing the summary, whether it is needed or not doesn't matter. No, it will not help you to score good, because ICSE always goes for good, prominent and to the point answers. It's not mandatory that your language has to be very flowery or very bombastic. No, you will write in simple English using simple grammar, but try to write it correctly. Okay, so we will just have a quick look on the question paper. Okay, so as we can see in the screen, the first is revision test 3, as I have taken 2 earlier. So read the extract below and answer the questions that follow. So the third one, sat in tattered clothes, he gave his coat a hitch. Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? The rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in store and how to keep what he had earned from the lazy, shiftless poor. The black man's face bespoke revenge as the fire passed from his side, for all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spite the white. You can well understand this extract has been taken from. No, I am not going to tell you the answer. You are smart enough to answer. So this is the extract. First you have to read the extract. Then there are certain questions, as you can see. So these are the questions, and the first 4 questions consist 3 marks and the last one consists 4 marks. In this way the full marks will become 16. The next is revision test 4. Here also this is a question paper of 16 marks. Read the extract below and answer the questions that follow. So it's Miss Fairchild. He said with a smile, I will ask you to excuse the other hand. It's otherwise engaged just at present. He slightly raised his right hand, bound at the wrist by the shining bracelet to the left, one of his companion. The glad look in the girl's eyes slowly changed to a bewildered horror. The glow faded from her cheeks, her lips parted in a vague, relaxing distress. Easton, with a little laugh, as if assumed, was about to speak again when the other forestalled him. The glum-faced man had been watching the girl's countenance with veiled glances from his keen and shrewd eyes. I have not written the entire speech. If you follow the book, you will find out what speech is written. I have put here the continuation mark. You will understand. And again it follows certain questions. Again you will get three marks for first 4 questions and last 4 marks for the 5th question. So this is your question paper. These 2 question papers you have to answer today. The class is all about this, because after each class revision test should be taken in order to know how much growth you are developed in your in yourself, in your study, and in your homework. Because I don't know, I cannot interact with all of you. All I have to do is I have to rely on your mails, on your comments. So please do write, feel free rather, whatever problem you are facing, just do mention, okay? Because this situation will surely pass by very soon. We all are hopeful, and I'll get to meet you very soon. And you just so till then you just do study well, try to write the answers on your own, and if you require any help, I am always there. Okay, have a great day ahead. Thank you for being so patient.